Hello everyone, this is Himanshu here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you the first question from SG sheet that I had prepared for you. So the problem is to find the duplicate number, and the question is in medium level, and the question asked in the companies like. Companies like Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Airbnb, Oracle, and LinkedIn. So you can see the problem is very important, and I mean at the end of this video, you will understand in a better way, and you will never forget the problem. Uh, I mean how to solve this problem. So I will make sure that it will easy for you to understand. So let's read the problem statement. So the problem is we have given. I mean, what before solving this, I'm going to tell you what is duplicate number. So the duplicate number is that had appeared more than one times in the container. So we have container vector over here. So the element that had appeared in vector more than one times. So we need to just return that element. So the whole idea about this problem is to find the duplicate number, just duplicate number. Okay, so here one more condition they are given. So the condition is you cannot use any extra space. Okay, and you cannot modify the array. So these are the condition you need to keep this mind before solving the problem, otherwise you will get TLE. Okay, so you need to consider this before solving the problem. And let's read the example. So in the input array nums, we have elements like 1 3 4 2 2. Okay, and you as you can see clearly see the element 2 is repeating more than one times. Okay, so we just need to return that element as output. And similarly in the second example, the elements are 3 1 3 4 2, and the element that are repeating more than one times is 3. So we just need to return 3 as output. So the whole idea about is to return the duplicate number, as simple as that. Okay, so let's talk about the constraint. So the constraint is over here is 10 to the power 5. So I mean the Vigo n square time complexity will not fit here. So you cannot use Vigo n square complexity, then it will going to get you TLE. Okay, so till now, I mean, you will understand the problem statement clearly. So to understand in a better way, we have to move the blackboard. So let's go. Okay, so the first approach to solve this problem is we are firstly we sort the array, and after that the ith index equal to I plus 1 index. Whenever we get the I index equal to I plus 1, we just need to return that index, and this way we can get the our result. So let's firstly solve the problem, and I will tell you why it is not running. So let's write the code, and after that we move to the optimal solution. Okay, so firstly we take integer and where we store the size of the vector, so the num size. Okay, after that we sort the vector elements. So nums dot begin and nums dot end. Okay, so after that I mean I will get the elements like 1 2 2 3 4. So assuming we will get the element as 1 2 2 3 4. So after that we put a loop over here, and after it start from 0 and going till the end of the array. And now if nums I equal to nums I plus 1. Okay, so if I get this, then we will get our result. So the result will be nums I. Okay, and after that if we will we will not get anything, so we will just return the -1, and we have to just run the program. And as you can see, the code is accepted. So the first test case is running, so we just need to submit the code and see whether it is working or not. So as you can see, it is running. The time complexity over here is the time complexity is big O and log n. So the time and the space is big O 1. So that's it for the video. And I will tell you one more approach, and after that we will wrap up. So there is a method called tortoise method, and in this method, thus basically we will not using any extra space, and also we solve this problem in vivo and time complexity. So the time and space both are optimizing here. So if you appear in an interview, you have to just tell the approach to the interview, and he will convince, and he will move to the next problem, and you will solve the problem successfully. So the tortoise method says that you have to take 2 pointers, and the first is slow pointer, and which stand in num0, and second is a fast pointer, and it will start from num0 also. Okay, so let me fix the font. Okay, and after that we put a do while loop. Okay, so the first loop is the first loop is first equal to first nums0 nums0. Now we will move to our next approach, and that approach called tortoise method. So the tortoise method says that we have a cycle, linked list cycle, and we have to put two loops, two pointers. First is slow pointer and second is fast pointer. Okay, so the slow pointer moves 1 step ahead and the fast pointer moves 2 steps ahead. And once the cycle is continue moving, and whenever they will meet in a one point, that point is called duplicate number. So that way we can find the duplicate number. So this is a approach where the time complexity will reduce to V1 and the space complexity reduce to V1. So after that you will after solving this problem, and the interviewer will not might ask you any question. So let's write the code. So we have integer, and the integer is slow, and we assign this is num0. Okay, and in the second this is fast, and it start from num0. And after that we put do while loop. So initially the slow pointer will move the first element. Okay, so slow, and after that the fast is moving 2 steps ahead now. So thus nums fast. because as you can see, the slow pointer 1 step ahead and the fast pointer 2 step ahead. So I'll write this, and after that the while loop, the condition we put, because it will not run if I not put the condition. So the condition is slow not equal to the fast. Whenever they will not meet, it will continue the loop again and again, again and again. So we will put loop, and after that the fast pointer starting from zero index. So we assign the 0 index, and after that the slow not equal to fast. So slow not equal to fast, and whenever the condition failed, the duplicate element we will get. So now we have to put slow as 1 step ahead, and also the fast pointer 1 step ahead. Okay, so nums slow and fast equal to nums fast, and we just need to return the fast. Okay, so I think all is good. Okay, we just need to put a semicolon, and we just need to return the code. I think it will run. Okay, so now we have to submit the code, and after submitting the code we will get the result successfully. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any problem in this particular question, and if you have any other question, just send me the question, and I will meet you in next video. Thank you so much.